How to solve WhatsApp call unavailable problem on your iPhone. So if you want to solve WhatsApp unavailable problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is there are some solutions. So the first reason this happens is usually because when you have been blocked. That is, you have been blocked by the owner of the number you are calling, which is causing this problem. So the first method is you need to turn off use less data for calls. Launch the WhatsApp on your device. After opening your WhatsApp, you can go with your settings, which is on the bottom right, and from the settings you need to swipe down to storage and data. Tap on storage and data. From your storage and data, here you will have use less data for calls, right? So you need to turn this off. Once you turn this off, your problem might be fixed. Or the second method is you need to contact WhatsApp Help Center. So to do that, you can again open up your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, go with the settings again, which is on the bottom right. And from the settings, you need to swipe and then tap on Help. After tapping on Help, you will have Help Center. Tap on the Help Center. After that, go and search for a help or a topic. For example, troubleshooting. Or you can also go with voice and video calls. And under that, you can go with troubleshooting and go with can't make WhatsApp voice calls or video calls. And it will give you a guide on how you can fix your problem. If this doesn't fix, then you can swipe all the way down or scroll all the way down and then tap on Contact Us and then tap on Start Chat, and it will take you to this kind of chat, which is your WhatsApp support. So you can write, "Dear WhatsApp team, I'm having problems with my WhatsApp calls, unavailable on my iPhone, so please help me to fix it." After that, it will contact you shortly. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.